Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. My name is Arman and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video we're gonna learn about the Bikharga Khandi. I have already discussed about the Sor Khandi and Vyanjan Khandi. If you haven't watched my those part 1 and part 2 of this video, and please go and watch the part 1 and part 2 of this video, then watch this video, okay? Otherwise your knowledge on the Khandi will be incomplete. The videos are, I have tried my best to make the videos shorter, but it is not possible to make more shorter than this, okay? So guys, without any further delay, let's start today's video. Alright, so guys, Bikharga Khandi, today's topic is Bikharga Khandi. Bikharga Khandi. So alright guys, so first of all we need to understand what is the Bikharga, okay? The Bikharga is this, okay? Bikharga is this. This symbol is called Bikharga. You will get this in Kokha Ga Ganga. I mean, if you read the Vyanjan Varna, then this is the last line of the last Borga of the Kokha Ga Ganga, okay? So we get like Gajantar, Unsar, Bikharga, Sandhara Bindu, right? This is the last stanza of the Vyanjan Varna. Alright, so now now let's look at it. What is Bikharga Khandi? So Bikharga Khandi is that Khandi. Khandi means compilation, as I have already told you, that compilation between the two words. And when in one word there is a presence of this Bikharga and the other word may be like that, maybe start with the Swara Varna or Vyanjan Varna, okay? Vyanjan Varna or Swara Varna logot Bikhargar Khangati Ghati, mane ji Shobdor Histi hoy, take mane Bikharga Khandi boli koa hoy. Alright, so it is a very simple Khandi formula, and it has got only 7 formulas. So and the formulas are really simple. So I'm going to discuss with you one by one, okay? So the first formula is that, so here guys, so Pratham ba Ditya or pasot thakile Bikharga thait talbia kho hoy, okay? So it means that like Pratham ba Ditya pasot thakile, that means Pratham Ditya or Pratham pasot thakile and Bikharga agot mane, thik ase? So Pratham ba Ditya pasot thakile, so Pratham ba Ditya pasot and thakile Bikharga to talbia kho hobo, okay? It will be this, okay? It will be converted into this. It is saying the simple thing, okay? If after if the second word is starting with Pratham or Ditya, then the Bikharga will replaced by talbia kho, okay? Now we'll see the example, okay? So this is ni plus soy, okay? So now this Bikharga will be replaced by talbia kho, okay? When talbia kho and Pratham is plus, then it will be like this, okay? Talbia kho is so, this the yo, okay? Nissoy. Alright, so talbia kho plus Ditya so is equal to talbia kho so, okay? I mean talbia kho so. Alright, so this is the first formula. Now we will, I hope you have understand, and now we'll see the next formula. Okay, so it is saying that Murdhina to ba Murdhina thor pasot thakile Bikhargar thait Murdhina kho hoy, okay? So it means that like Murdhina to ba Murdhina thor pasot thakile, that means Murdhina to or Murdhina thor pasot thakile, the Bikharga will be replaced by this Murdhina kho, okay? It is saying that, simple. So now let's look at the example. Ni chuk thur, okay? So now ni plus thur, so here there is a Bikharga and this is tha, okay? This is tha. Now what will happen? The Bikharga will be replaced by Murdhina kho, okay? When Murdhina kho and Murdhina tha is plus combined, then it will be what? So it will be like this, okay? Murdhina kho plus Murdhina tha is equal to Murdhina khoithas tha, okay? It will be this, okay? Now it will be like this, okay? Ni Nisthur, Okay, very simple. So this is the second formula. Okay, now we'll see the third formula. Okay, so this is the third formula that this is dantyata and dantyakor pasot thakile murjine khor thait dantyakho hoy. Okay, so this formula, it means that like if it is a dantyato ortho and there is a bikhorga, then in that case the bikhorga will be replaced by dantyakho. Okay, now we'll see the example. Ni plus tej. Okay, so here in this case to, okay, this it is the second word is starting with the to, so ni and there is a bikhorga and to. Okay, so now the bikhorga will be replaced by dantyakho and dantyakho to will be khaitasto. Okay, dantyakho plus to equal to khaitasto. Okay, so it will be like this now. So the answer will be nistej. Okay, very simple, it will be nistej. Now we'll see the fourth one. Alright guys, if we read this formula, then it says that bikhorgor pasat thoka ko kho po pho thakile, that means bikhorgor pasat ko kho po pho. Okay, or sorry o or sorry r pisot thoka bikhorgor, that means there is either sorry o or sorry a. Okay, sorry a thait dantyakho aru yar I karadi dantyakho, so it will be dantyakho, it will be replaced by dantyakho. Okay, it says that it will be replaced by dantyakho, or if like this, either of this word, either of this alphabet is starting with I kar. Okay, I kar di sorobornor pasat thoka I karadi sorobornor pasat thoka bikhorgor thait murdina khoa hoy. If there is a I car, okay, if there is I car and after the second word is starting with the I car, then it will be, bikhorga will be replaced by murdinekho, and if there is no I car, then it will be dantyakho only. Very simple. Okay, now let's take the example. With the example, it will be really easy for us to understand that. Now it is see, this is no mo. Okay, no mo. Okay, mo. So there is a presence of o. When we say when we pronounce mo, where like the sound of o is coming. Okay, mo. Okay, so there is a presence of mo. So or pisot thoka this bikhorga it and plus kar, it's kar. Okay, now see, so it is starting with the ko and there is no I car. Okay, so that will be now now this bikhorga will be replaced by dantyakho. Okay, so very simple, now it will be na ma. Okay, and dantyakho, now when dantyakho and ko is plus, it will be, this is dantyakho and ko ro. Okay, namaskar. Very simple. Okay, one more time, bikhorgor pasat thoka ko kho po pho thakile, that means bikhorgor pisot ko kho po pho thakile, sorry o or sorry r pisot thoka bikhorga, that means sorry o sorry r pisot thoka bikhorga, sorry o sorry r pisot thoka bikhorga dantyakho hoy. Aru jodi the second word is starting with the I car horsei car, then the sorobornor pasat thoka bikhorga, that means sorobornor pasat thoka bikhorga to murdinekho hoy. Okay, if there is a like this kind of I car, then it would have been murdinekho. Okay, murdinekho, this one, but now it will be dantyakho only. So now for example, no mo is o and bikhorga plus kar. Okay, kar ko is starting like this is here. Okay, now the ko now this bikhorga will be replaced by dantyakho, and the dantyakho plus ko will be hoikasko, ho and ko. So namaskar. All right, so now we will see the next formula. Alright guys, this formula number 5 is saying that bikhorgor pasot thoka soroborno. Okay, that means bikhorgor pasot jodi soroborno ase, that means soroborno means o a vowels. Okay, soroborno, all kind of soroborno or tritiya chaturtha pancham borga, that means any of the borga means like I told you in yesterday that like this is ka barga ka kha ga gha nga pratham sa ditya sa bargya ja, all that. Okay, this is ka barga, this is sa barga, ta barga, like this. Okay, so barga tritiya chaturtha pancham. Okay, so that means this is the tritiya and this is the gha is the chaturtha and anga is the fifth one. Okay, tritiya chaturtha pancham. If there is a third, fourth and fifth alphabet of the one barga, that means one line. Okay, one line, then the bikharga will be and again if there is a untista ja ra la wa ba. Okay, if there is a, so bikhargar pisot, after the bikharga there is a swara varna, either swara varna, that means either of the vowels, or if there is a third, fourth or fifth letter of the one line of the consonants, that means the ka kha ga gha nga, or the untista ja ra la wa ba. Okay, so if there is a any one of these conditions are fulfilling, then bikharga thait ra hoy, that means it will be, the bikharga will be replaced by ra. Okay, the bikharga will convert into the ra. Now the example, with the example it will be easy for us to understand. So this is do. Okay, now plus avastha. So here guys, so here you can see that this is the what, this is the swara varna, right? Bikharga pisot swara varna. This after the bikharga there is a second word is starting with swara varna. Okay, then in this case the bikharga will be replaced by ra. So now it will be what? It will be duravastha. It will be duravastha. Okay, bikharga and a. So when, so ra is what? When we pronounce ra means a only, right? So that means, so bikharga is replaced by ra and a. If we give ra and a, that doesn't make any sense. So that's why the ra will be, so a will be implicit in a. Okay, so when we pronounce ra, the a is implicit with ra. All right, so this is the fifth formula. I hope I am able to make you understand about this. So now we'll see the sixth one. So guys, number 6 formula is saying that sore or logot thoka bikharga pasot thoka borgor titiyo chaturtha or pancham bornor ba untista ja ra la ha thakile agor bikhargar thait u hoy. Okay, so it means that like sore or logot thoka bikharga. Okay, that means it is sore or logot thoka bikharga. Okay, sore or logot thoka bikharga plus and the pasat thoka borgar tritiya chaturtha pancham varna. I just told you that if this is a ka barga, then third varna is ga, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so it is a third, fourth. If it is a third, fourth or fifth varna, I mean alphabet, or it is a ja ra la ha, then agar bikharga thait u hoy. Okay, in this case it will be replaced by u. Okay, so now we'll see the example. After the example it will be easy, that mo no. Okay, so here, so now there is a bikharga or logot thoka bikharga. This is or, this bikharga is with a. Okay, when we pronounce na, that means a is implicit here, sound is a. Okay, the sound when we pronounce no, a sound is coming out, right? So now and after this the second word is either third or fourth or fifth alphabet of the borga, that means borga, or untista ja ra la ha. Okay, so if one of them is there, then jog. Okay, so now see, so this second word is starting with the untista ja. Okay, untista ja. Now what will happen? It will be I mean this will be replaced by u. Okay, I mean bikharga will be replaced by u. Now what will happen? It will be monojog. So no ukar monojog. Okay, very simple, monojog. Now one more example, mo no plus hora. Okay, so here what will happen? This is the bikhorga, nor logot bikhorga ase, then the second word is ho, this ho, then it will be, now no will be replaced, bikhorga will be replaced by u. Okay, now it will be monu or monohar. Okay, monohar, simple. So this is the formula, sixth formula. Now we'll see the next formula. So guys, number 7 formula saying that ro pasat thakile bikhorgor loop pai. That means bikhorgor pasat ro thakile the bikhorgo will loop pai, and e karanta upakhorgo dirghai karanta hoy jay. Let's suppose if there is a key, okay, if there is a key, that this is the e karanta, this is e car. Okay, this is a e car. Now it will be in the result, it will be dirghai car, and this it will be gone. Okay, it will be gone. Very simple. Now with the example it will be very easy. That it is, let's suppose, okay, this is ni plus roop. Okay, so now, so it is fulfilling the condition. Now see, this is ni, okay, not harsekar ni, and this is the e karanto and bikhorgo, and bikhorgor pisot ro ase. That means like ro pasat thakile bikhorgor loop pai. That means ro pasat ase, so bikhorgo will vanish. Now ni and e karanto upakhorgo dirghai karanto hoy. Now it will be, the result will be this dirghai karanto. Okay, first, and now it will be gone, and roop. Okay, ni roop. Very simple, very simple. Now another example, ni plus rob. Okay, now it will be what? It will be very simple. For the first principle, it will be dirghai karanta. Okay, it will be dirghai karanto. Then it will be go, because after the bikhorga there is a ro. Now the bikhorga will go away, then it will be rob. Okay, ni rob. So this is the bikhorga khandi. So guys, this is the last principle of the bikhorga khandi. I hope you have found this video helpful. If it helped you, then please hit the like button, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any queries, suggestions, doubts. Then you can let me know, or you can email me in my email ID. My email ID is in the description box. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.